I swear Mother Nature is taking back all the trails. This tree's falling on a trail. And I know dang well the Fish Wildlife Parks and stuff ain't gonna come down and fix this old trail. There's 2 down trees over there from the last time I was here. There's this one here totally covering the trail. That down tree has been there for a long time, but these are new. Look at this. All this is new. I have to walk around all these down trees just to get to this trail to get through. And there's a little water stream. There's water over there. Yeah, I can't even get to where I want to get to. I built a structure that's right over there by those trees, and I can't even get to the structure because I don't want to walk through. Oh, you know what? I got a way. I have to walk all the way around. I think I found a way to get through. And we haven't even had, usually this happens with hurricane force winds. Today it's about gust of 30 miles per hour. But these trees are just not surviving. They're all just being taken down. So yeah, if I hop over this water right here, I'm gonna check for ticks and stuff when I get back home. Now I'm on the other side of that brush. This right here is a whole entire walking trail, and I have to maneuver myself around all of it. And my structure has been blown down too. This is the structure that I built. And it's just in a pile of branches. All right, like, subscribe, ring the bell notification.